Hey guys, welcome to your McQueen toy.
Daya will open the pack up. We'll unbox this. Though it's not a box, but we're gonna call it unboxing or unpacking. New set of toys. Characters, let them show it to them one by one. Then tell what's the name. What's the name of that guy?
It's Lightning McQueen.
It's Lightning McQueen. What's next?
Jackson Storm.
Is it? Show it to them. I can't. They can
Jackson
see it.
Storm.
They can see it. They can't. Show the face of Jackson Storm. There you go. All right, next.
Cruz Ramirez.
It's Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. What do we have?
Talavesa.
Oh, I don't know that one.
How about this? Jeff Govet.
You know the name.
That Holly Shiftwell. How about that? Tim McMissile.
Wow.
What about that? Sheriff. And Sirens.
Share
How
it.
about
No?
this
Oh,
one?
careful.
It's Tomater.
Of course.
How about this? It's Flat Car.
Oh, yeah.
How about this? McQueen.
Another McQueen.
How about what name is that? It's Fillmore.
Fillmore. And that's all we have. It's time to say goodbye.
Bye. See you later.